Whether you're here to build your social media skills, start generating some passive income, or explore online course creation, I'm happy to have you here. Now, I do want to give you a heads up. The materials for this program were developed by Michelle O'Neill. Her approach has more of that daily hustle energy. She talks about daily pay, fast results, and that resonates with a lot of people. But I know that for some of us, especially those of us who are more introverted or work as coaches and healers, a different pace may feel more aligned. And that's where my focus is. I'm emphasizing learning these social media marketing skills one step at a time, with a focus on building a foundation of confidence, of courage, and creativity, rather than just going for the quick wins. So I invite you to think of this program as a social media marketing internship, and here's how it works. For a one-time fee at one of 4 different price points, plus a $29 website fee, you'll receive a complete business in a box. This includes ready-to-go landing and sales pages, a pre-written email sequence, everything you need to get started smoothly, so you can focus on learning and evolving without getting bogged down in the tech overwhelm. And plus, you'll have all of the automations that let this business work for you 24/7. And the best part, you can keep this business separate from your own practice. And actually, that's what I recommend. And here's why. You're going to be learning new skills, stepping out of your comfort zone, and showing up on social media in a way you may have never done before. And no, I'm not talking about dancing or lip syncing. I mean showing up daily, refining your message, honing your skills, practicing new ways to communicate in this fast-paced online world. So why an internship program and not just an online business? When I joined Legacy Builders in July of 2024, I followed the blueprint. I was creating content about things like the 2-hour workday, earning 100% profit on your sales, and how the program was introvert friendly with everything already done for you. But my content felt like it was missing something. It was missing my heart. Those were reasons to buy this program, but they weren't my reasons to invest my time, my energy, and my soul into it. And then I thought about my past coaching and energy healing practice attempts, the challenges I faced trying to attract clients, and how great it would have been to have a course like this back then. And that's when it hit me. I can help people with a purpose, people passionate about serving others and healing our communities. You're the ones who need to learn how to market your gifts using social media. And that's why I created this internship experience. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to market these 4 digital products. These are e-learning courses on social media marketing, generating passive income online through affiliate sales and collaborations, and online course creation. And with the e-learning industry projected to reach $1 trillion by 2032, these courses are obviously in high demand. But here's what I want you to really focus on. As you're promoting these courses, remember, there's no pressure to make sales. These courses are simply tools to develop your skills so you can freely practice, play, and discover how you want to promote them. My mission, and I do choose to accept it, is to help you avoid getting caught up in the hustle energy of the digital growth community. I want you to take consistent, intentional action to uncover your unique strengths and gifts, step by step. So this can be a safe space for those of us who are more comfortable behind the scenes to gradually step into the spotlight at our own pace. I'm so excited for all you're going to discover about yourself and your talents as we go through this together. This experience can be powerful. You're going to be building skills, and it's even fun. It's kind of like roller coaster scary fun. I look forward to seeing you grow and to sharing this part of your journey with you. Click the link below this video to learn more, or if you're ready, to get started.